Good morning, students. I am Dr. Kanchan Deoli Bahukhandi, working as an associate professor in UPS. I am having total 21 years of working experience in the field of environmental science, management, sustainability, and climate change. So, students, today I am going to discuss about one of the major environmental problems that is related with the water pollution. It is eutrophication. So, what is the meaning of eutrophication? It is basically enrichment of nitrogen and phosphorus into the water bodies. Now, how this enrichment of nitrogen and phosphorus is take place into the water bodies? When different types of industrial waste, agriculture waste, and domestic waste, when it is discharged into the water bodies, so it contains excessive growth of algae, phytoplanktons in the water bodies. The excessive growth of algae is also known as algal bloom. So basically, due to different types of pollutions, algal bloom is formed into the water bodies. And this algal bloom, it restricts the sunlight and oxygen to enter into the water bodies. So due to the lack of oxygen and sunlight, it also kills other aquatic animals, including producers or phytoplanktons. So slowly after some time, this whole aquatic ecosystem, it is converted into dead ecosystem where no aquatic life exists, right? So in India there are a lot of lakes which are facing the problem of eutrophication, like in Kashmir, Dal Lake and Vular Lake. Similarly in Nainital, Uttarakhand, we have a Naini Lake, Chilka Lake, and there are thousands of surface water bodies, ponds, lakes, rivers, which are facing the problem of eutrophication. Because everywhere lot of this domestic waste, untreated effluents, and this improper disposal of solid waste, sewage waste, it is discharged into the water bodies. And this type of waste contain huge amount of nitrogen and phosphorus. And this excessive amount of nitrogen and phosphorus, it is an ideal condition for the phytoplanktons to grow, to multiply. Right? Now the question is that how do we control this problem of eutrophication? The best way is whatever the waste is there, like industrial waste or urban waste, sewage waste, it should not discharge into the water bodies, or it should not left untreated. So basically this type of waste, it should be treated in ETP, effluent treatment plant, or wastewater treatment plants, right? So that it should be properly treated. And even the municipal solid waste, improper disposal of this solid waste, it is also causing the problem of eutrophication. So it should be that waste management system should be properly implemented. Waste collection, waste disposal, transportation, it should be carried out in a proper way. This surface water bodies like ponds and lakes, they are very important water resources. These water bodies are not only used for the supplying water for the drinking purpose, for irrigation purposes, but these surface water bodies also act as a medium, very important medium, to recharge our groundwater aquifers. How do we get that groundwater? There are these surface water bodies are there which collect rainwater, and which slowly recharge our aquifers, groundwater. So they help in increasing water tables. So if all the surface water bodies will completely dry, so there would be scarcity of groundwater also. Not would be, actually it is happening. Everywhere in the cities, if you take the example of Delhi or Bombay or any metro cities, any villages of Rajasthan, in most of the places groundwater table, it is depleting. What is the reason behind it? Because we have completely destroyed our surface water bodies. And these surface water bodies, they are the important medium for our recharging aquifers. Friends, we should understand that only 3% water remains in the form of fresh water in our earth, right? So 97% water, it is present in the ocean, right? Only 3% water remains in the form of fresh water, and out of 3%, 80% remains in the ice caps and glaciers. So only 1% water it is available in the form of this fresh water like lake, ponds, rivers. So it is necessary to conserve and protect this 1% water. And we all know the condition of this 1% water. It is also severely contaminated by different types of water pollution, solid waste pollution, right? So we should take an action to conserve our water resources, okay, and the best way is to minimize eutrophication, right? So thank you. That's all for today.